Hello and welcome back to This is Your Golden Ticket to EdTech Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to be talking about how to schedule a Zoom to YouTube. And I learned this trick from Eric Kurtz, so shout out to Eric. He is my fellow GEG Ohio co-leader. And the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to open up and you're going to go to Zoom. Once you're on Zoom, you're going to go to My Account. Then you're going to go to Settings. Once you're on Settings, you need to find the live area. And so what I usually do is hit Command F, and I'm going to type in live, and then right here, allow live streaming of meetings. And you want to click this box right here, custom live streaming services. Also right here, custom live streaming services. So you want to make sure both of those are clicked, and then you are ready to get this kind of set up. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go to YouTube. And you're going to click your little photo and you're going to go into YouTube Studio. And you're going to click this little live thing. You can also go to create and it's right here as well. Once you're in, you're going to stay on this first one where it says stream. And I'm going to go ahead and edit the name of this. So test Zoom. And then you can add a description. I can change the privacy, I can make it unlisted, public, all of that kind of different things, just like you normally would in YouTube. I can also go in here and add a thumbnail if I wanted to, select a playlist I want this to go to. So, and then I can decide if it's for kids or not for kids. Once you're all done with this area, make sure you click save. And then you can see it kind of update. Down here, there's going to be some information that you're going to need. So then we're going to go back to Zoom. And we're going to schedule a meeting. So I'm going to call this Zoom test. And I'm going to write my description, test Zoom. And then I can pick time, when, where, how long, all of this kind of stuff, set up my settings just like I normally would for Zoom. Once you have all that set up, you're going to click save. And then now you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and this live streaming should pop up. Right here, you're going to type in your information. So you're going to get your streaming URL, which is right here. You're going to get your key, which is the second one. So right there. And then you're going to get the URL streaming page. So you go to this little share button and you're going to copy this URL. So this is the first box, second box, and then third box. Okay. Once you have all three of those links, you are then ready to stream. So I'm going to go ahead back up here and I'm going to go ahead and start my Zoom meeting. I'm going to open Zoom. And now that I'm on Zoom, I am going to go to the three dots down here to more, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do live on custom live streaming service. You might want to play like a countdown timer or something like that, so that way your guests get notified that you're going live. If they subscribe to you on YouTube and they click the notifications, you might also want to use this as you're kind of waiting for things to get ready. Okay. And then you're all set up. So again, you're going to see, you can see me talking. If I click this link, this is the link I would send people to that they want to see my live stream. And then I can also go down here and I'm able to see all of the different analytics that might be happening in the live chat. Okay. I can also on Zoom then share my screen and do everything like normal and like I normally would present. And so then when you're all finished, you're going to click this little arrow and you are going to stop the live stream. Okay. So now once you're all done, I'm going to click end and I'm going to end the meeting for everybody, exit out of that. And I am going to go back to this page, maybe. And you can see now that this has finished. So I'm going to click end stream. So that way I can set up my next one. So now when I want to do my second one, I can go in here and I'm going to just click the stream again. So let's go ahead and go back to YouTube. I'm going to click the little camera, go live because I'm ready to go live. And it's going to keep your information from the last time kind of saved. So you do need to click edit. And then I would need to rename this. So Zoom test 2, save, And then again, all of this is the same, but next time you don't have to update the information in Zoom. So now if I go to Zoom and I go to my account and I'm going to go to meetings and I'm going to schedule another meeting, save it, scroll down again. See how you don't have to set all of this up, but just know that this URL will take you to the previous video, where now this new URL will take me to my new video. So make sure when you are sharing it, you're not sharing that link in Zoom, you're sharing the correct link on YouTube. And then what you'll do then is you will then share that link out to your people that are kind of watching you live. And then also make sure that when you do kind of go into YouTube Studio, you go in and edit and you customize this for your video that you need to update from the last one, like the thumbnail and that kind of stuff. And then that's it. Right here are kind of resources on the star, and I'll link these in the YouTube description to help, and they are directly from Zoom. And I will also link the video on the second page if you need a quick reference as well. But I think that will be a lot of fun. That's kind of why I've picked StreamYard over Zoom, just because I couldn't schedule and have like a holding link for people to join. But I could see this now being maybe available to me as I need it to fit my needs if I have more than 10 people that I want to get on or something like that. And then right here, if I go to my account and then I go to my videos, so if I'm on my YouTube studio and I go to content, I can then go to live and I can see these 3 videos I tested using Zoom. And so I can see that they're all unique URLs. They're all private. I can go in and I can change it if I wanted to. And then I can also go in and edit and add more descriptions. I could change the thumbnails if I wanted to. I can do all of that still after it has gone live. And again, I can click and get the link if I needed to share that link out. All right, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you so much, and make sure you check out goldedu.org for more information.